This is the story of how I stupidly crashed my DJI Mavic Pro drone and how I miraculously, and yes, I mean it, miraculously got back the drone. Watch this whole video to see the entire sequence in which this crazy roller coaster event unfolded. You will know all the mistakes that I made, and also I'll give you tips on how to go about it if you crash your drone. This is my crazy lost drone story. So we were having fun at our private pool villa in Aksari Resort for our first anniversary, and we had to take a mandatory drone shot. Oh, look at this beautiful drone shot! Wow, it's amazing! And BAM! That's when it happened. Let's pause here for a while and see what was my first mistake. My first mistake was not looking at the drone where it went with my naked eye, especially knowing that this place is full of tall trees. My second mistake was not knowing enough about my drone. Actually, my Mavic Pro did not have any back sensors, so I was under the impression that it will stop if ever it senses any obstacle. Always know your drone, what it can do and what it can't do. But we didn't go in search of the drone straight away, which was a huge mistake. I'll let you know in a while why. We had to finish taking some shots of Emily in the pool, but another mishap happened.
So this is the iPhone that went straight into the pool in Calvin's pocket. It's dead, but we're trying to dry it and see if it works. And it happened just after his drone got stuck on a tree.
My third mistake was not going in search of the drone straight away. If I did that, I wouldn't have lost my iPhone, and I could have used the Find My Drone feature on my DJI app to find the drone.
Calvin got his bowl of rice. Put your phone. Let's see if it's gonna help or not.
I told Aksari Resort about my problem, and they were so willing to help. One of the front desk staff, Budi, and Wayan, the security guard, came with me to find the drone. So we spent a good 1 to 2 hours to try to find the drone.
Private pool villa, the first one. Then in this direction.
We went to different places, but in vain. We took pictures and tried to zoom in to see whether the drone was there, but we couldn't find any yet. Another tip if your drone is stuck on the tree is to take picture of the leaves of the tree. In that way you can narrow down to the trees on which it is stuck. So I spent the next 2 hours just like this, trying and trying to figure out where the drone crashed, hoping for it to magically appear. But it was all so pointless because I was so far away from the trees and the drone was so small. There was nothing to be done except embracing the fact that it was gone. I came to terms with that, and I decided to let go of it and enjoy the remaining time in the villa to the fullest. And that's what we did.
Now I'm gonna start the bath, which is here. I wonder how here. This is for this. So this afternoon there was a fly in the room and it couldn't get out of the room, so I tried to capture it, but I didn't manage to. But just now at night it was on Calvin's butt, and look at it. I managed to capture it. Yay! So now I'm trying to slide a paper in between the the fly and Kevin's butt. That's how you do it. But it's not that easy because Kevin's butt is not flat. Do you need a professional fly catcher? I'm here. You can contact me if you need to catch flies.
Just wake up and now we're going to have breakfast. We're going to have breakfast in the restaurant there. Yeah, it's a good place. Look at the sunrise. Beautiful view. It's incredible. Incredible.
Yes, too, Mr. Kelvin.
Yes.
How are you?
Good. Yes,
Alright.
thank you.
So I just want to inform you regarding for the drone.
Okay.
So I get information with my colleague
Okay.
from security.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can have a look first the location.
Yeah.
I already.
Good news! This morning when we woke up, we were on our way to breakfast, and at the receptionist told us that they found the drone! It's on top of a tree and we need to pay 500,000 rupiah to get someone to climb the tree and get it. But it's fine. After breakfast, we're going to go get the drone. So how are you feeling now?
Very good. They found our drone. So the day couldn't start any better than this.
This stay is ending well. Hopefully the guy is able to climb and nothing's gonna happen to him and we're gonna get the drone back. Yay!
I'm so excited.
On our way to find the drone.
Yeah, we find the security guard found him.
So this guy right here found it.
We really want to acknowledge Wayan, the security guard. He is the hero who miraculously found the drone. And I mean it, it was truly a miracle. Even though we never told him to look, he kept looking for the drone until late night on his own will. He found the drone at night and with a torch on a tree so high. I don't know what he did and how he did it. But if you don't call that a miracle, I don't know what to call that.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Where I didn't see.
You see the nest kind of thing
Yes.
there?
Ah, yes. Wow, how can you see that?
Wow. I don't know.
It's right here.
Ringgit, maybe $1,000.
Someone is going to climb this tree later. And it's really tall. He's climbing this tree like nothing. The string, he's actually attached to a string. So I think he's trying to think how he's gonna manage to reach the drone, which is on top of the tree. He's going higher.
He brings up the sack for the drone, pulls it up, and tries to maneuver a wire around the stick to try to grab the... I think he caught it and tries to wiggle around, pulls it and tries harder. And oh, it's coming. Yes!
Wow.
We got it! We got
Wow.
it! We got it!
I can't believe that. Uncle. Ah, he's very good. Hero. Yeah. Yes, now more and more expensive. Woo! Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Can I give a hug?
We tested the drone and it works fine. Thank God there was no rain overnight. And yeah, we're so happy. A big shout out to Wayan who did the impossible. Of course, we had to give him a nice tip for his great work.
Thank you very much.
He drove me to Ketut's house, his uncle, who climbed the tree. He climbs trees for a living, finding coconuts, and he is a pro at what he does. Thank you for going the extra mile, Ketut. Thank you for risking your life to give us our drone back. We appreciate it.
Bye. Bye.
And thank you very much, Aksari Resort, for your very helpful staffs. Click that subscribe button and check out our other videos here. And oh yeah, if you're wondering what happened to my iPhone 6 Plus, well, the RISE test didn't work, and so I had to buy a new phone, an iPhone 11. Well, it was time to change to a new phone as well. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.